This is a 1968 Harley Davidson Sportster. Quite a rare find, the late 60s. They got the curved heads there. I think they were 900cc. Someone's restored this to a certain degree to suit them. I noticed the riding position is quite high on this. I have rode it, it started really well. Lights work on it, brakes work, gears, clutch. Yeah, so it's an XLCH, which means it's a kickstart and electric. I've only used the electric start. I assume the kickstart goes on this part, although I was expecting to see a spline. That isn't, so I don't know really that's what happened there. This is a retro speedo fitted and cable tied to the air filter. During my test ride it didn't work, so let's get it going. The ignition there, the button here. There you go, nice. Paint's come off the tank there. Just seems odd when all the rest of the tank seems good. Well, there you go.